What's up, she's, days, and gays? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a good day. It's a beautiful day outside. It's supposed to be 27 degrees today, which for the Americans is about 83, which I realize every time I say what it is in Fahrenheit, there's some American who's like, actually, that's not very hot. And I'm like, you know what? I'm Canadian, okay? It's hot to me, okay? It's hot to me. I will fight you in the street. So in today's video, we are going thrifting today. I'm a part of a Care Bears group, human personification of the Care Bears, for a shoot at the end of May, which it's May today. I'm having a great time today. Sorry guys if this video is chaotic. I'm really sorry. So I have to put together a look for this. I have drawn up some inspiration, some ideas. It's taken a long time for me to really figure it out. I have a whole Pinterest board and everything with all of the ideas I could possibly muster into it, and I've narrowed it down to a couple things. So the organizer wants us all to wear white t-shirts with the symbol of our Care Bear on it, and I'm going to be Lucky Bear. The plan, what I want to find. I need to find a white t-shirt because I don't want to just have the lucky symbol on the white t-shirt that I have that I like, because I have a singular white t-shirt. So there's that. So I need a white t-shirt. I want to do a green sort of cardigan. And if I can't find a cardigan that I like or a sweater that I like, I'm gonna go for maybe a flannel or some sort of oversized dress shirt that I can put over it. That's kind of the vibe we're going with. I want green shorts, not these green shorts. These shorts are a little too light in color. Don't ask me why I did a British accent. So basically, I want to actually find a pair of green pants, and then I'm going to cut the legs off, and I'm going to turn the bottom part into leg warmers, and then the top part into shorts. And then I also have I want to do a little white half skirt, a pleated half skirt to go over top of the shorts to add a little bit of, intrigue, I guess. We'll figure it out. There's a couple things I need to make for it that I've already got the stuff for, but that's what we're going to the thrift store today to find. I need a shirt, I need an overshirt or a sweater, and I need pants or shorts, and then some sort of green fabric I can turn into leg warmers. And if I don't end up going with the leg warmer route, I also have white socks that I can wear up. But I kind of wanted to have green on the bottom leg part too. Yeah. So that's the plan. Let's go to the thrift store. I'm so excited. I love the thrift store.
To measure out my waist for pants.
We're in the Value Village.
Oh.
And we're looking for white t-shirts. Finding a white t-shirt without a symbol on the front is really difficult. Oh my god, the Barbie pants. Look at these. Look at these pants. These are crazy. These actually are in my size. That's kind of funny. Oh, I guess I could look for green pants here. Not the color I want. Yeah. This is difficult to do one-handed. No. Oh no, those are something. Your dress pants?
I feel like these might be too small.
Maybe just a little, and maybe too short. Because you are an Amazonian.
Yeah, but also things that you're...
This is a size 4. This would not fit, but this is exactly the color I want.
I need to stop being optimistic about my clothes options.
The old lady, but it's actually not an old lady. Just unfortunately
Out of the corner of my eye, it looked like old ladies.
Yeah, just a little bit. Dinosaur stamp.
Those ink pads look so dry.
Oh my god, yeah. Although, that looks fun as fuck. Stamps. At the thrift store. We're not mic'd up at a thrift store because I didn't want to wear. I brought the mics, but I didn't want to be wearing the mics.
They thought that it was too extra.
It's too extra. My human tripod. We have this. I'm gonna cut off the bottom because it's
that would
like
work well.
shoestring. It's also double layered, so I like it. It's also only $6. This one, I kind of like it. I probably crop it a little bit, but it's $10, so I don't think that's really an option. I just kept it. And then I like this one, but it's like off-white. So it's down to
and not
these
even
two.
like an off-white that looks intentional, but just looks like it's been worn a lot.
Yeah. So, and oh wow, you can really see in camera.
You can see it in person too.
Yeah. So I think this is the shirt.
Yeah.
All right. Slay. I like this green a lot for this, but it's like kind of really ugly. There's some green, but just not really the green I'm going for. This is too yellowy green. Way too yellowy green. Also, I hate the texture of that. Ugh. I have a contender, a very good contender, except for it's $16. But it's very cute. I like it. Oh, that is. Oh. Supergirl, I guess?
Yeah, but with the weird side pleating.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate. Oh, that is. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Is there anything green? That's not skirt. Wait a minute.
Might be a bit small.
Maybe. We'll see. You're in jail. Actually, no, I think that might fit. Maybe?
You could also have some like panels to the side if you need to.
Oh, and it's got a cute little like slit on it. No, because that would be perfect. Because you see the vision. Wait, that would be so cute. Okay, yeah. I think we've got this guy.
I didn't know Taylor Swift donated her Fearless wardrobe.
That is an insane dress. Like there's so many textures going on. The thing is it doesn't feel horrific to touch.
That's because there's nothing to it.
That's fair. It's just netting and like weird bits of plastic.
It would have a horrible body feel.
Oh, absolutely. Flash warning. Jeez. This is also several textures that I don't like. But this is just bad. And there's nothing really too cool or interesting in the fabric section today. Ooh, I lied. This is nice. So this is the color I wanted to go for. So you might notice I'm in a different outfit. That's because it's tomorrow. But we have this whole outfit. I got too busy yesterday to film anything else. So let's talk about this and I'll show you guys some of the other things that are gonna like bring this outfit together. But here we have the clothes for right now. So the final cost for everything: cardigan, $16.49, shirt, $5.99, and skirt for $4.49. So altogether, after tax, everything in my cart cost me $29. That is not bad. That's not bad at all. Especially because this will be things that I will just wear outside of this, and that's kind of what I wanted to make sure I got when I was like doing this, was things I would wear outside of this. So I'm going to be wearing a wig with this. So we have some options and I'll run through them all on here. I don't know which one's gonna have the right tone because I don't know. No, right off the bat is not going to work. This is the wig that I used for Beast Boy. It is this, well, it's also kind of short for what I wanted it to be. It's very boy cut, so This one is my sucrose wig, and it's too minty for this, so no. This, once this loud car goes by, this is the wig I was really thinking about doing because this was the initial color that I wanted the entire outfit to be, but this is kind of how it came to be. What do we think? It's not bad. It's not bad. This wig I bought on wish.com back in, oh my gosh, 2018, I want to say. It's been a while. This is the wish.com wig. Oh wait, the tone of this actually matches the tones of these. So I might go for this one actually. But the other one is like curly and nice, and this one isn't. It's just a straight wig. Because it's got, like, to describe to you how shite of a wig this is, that's the interwig. This is the wig cap. Maybe. The idea is a little more costumey. We're gonna go with white socks, like white over the knee socks, or maybe some lace just lace under the knee socks. We'll see. Mostly because these are the shoes that I will be wearing with this, so I'm very excited. They haven't come yet. And then for bag, we're going with this bear bag that I got. I am so excited for this. It's the actual bear. It's the actual lucky bear. And I think the tone of it will match the outfit pretty well. So this is good. The thing I'm a little worried about is the tone of the shoes matching this, but I think it'll match the skirt. So that'll be okay. I have to make some ears. So we are going to be doing some crafting for this project. And I'm going to make some jewelry out of these. Out of these, I'll insert like a clip or something, because if I put them in my hand and try to show you, they're gonna fall off. So I'll make like a necklace and maybe some earrings out of those. I think that'll be really cute. And then I have these absolutely adorable buttons, and I am replacing this ugly, just straight up pearl bead that's on here with these as buttons, and I might put them all the way down the front of this, even though it's only got one buttonhole. I still think that would be fun for them to go either all the way down. And then for the patch on the front, it's gonna go like right about here. And I have like this really pretty, I have these really pretty like shamrocks that are embroidered on like a chiffon, but I can't find them right now. So when I do, you'll get to see them. So that's it for what's going on. And then it's time to get crafty, except for we're not actually working on this project today. I love projects that I can just thrift and done and do like little bits of stuff on. This is great. I love an easy project. So let's roll the crafting montage. Woo! Yeah, so all of that footage is gone, which is great. Yeah, I forgot to use my brain there, but that's fine. So yeah, I made some ears, I made a necklace, I made some earrings, and I did the little thing on the front of the shirt with an acrylic paint pen, and I made like a waist chain belt thing. I really didn't do much from what you saw, and it's not much of a waste that you didn't get to see everything. I also did not film any reveal footage. I forgot to do that when we were at the shoot, so please accept these photos from the photo shoot. It was so much fun. I'm actually going to wear this entire costume to KCC the weekend I actually feel like editing this. I didn't get around to editing this before because I had a really bad tooth problem and then had to get an emergency tooth pulled. So that's why this video is so late and why there wasn't a video last weekend. but it'd be like that sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that you took the time out of your day to watch this video and kind of hang out with me for a second. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.